Meteorologist Aaron White in this morning. And boy, we could hear the rain overhead here.
Yeah.
At the station.
It was like buckets of rain there for at least 10 minutes or so, kind of calming down now.
Thank
so
goodness, yeah.
All good things. And the big story today, the rain's clearing out, and now we got to deal with the cold. The wind.
It's back.
Yeah, it's back. Not
It's coming
right now.
back.
It's coming back. In the next few hours, we got temperatures right now in the 50s.
Okay.
So when you're heading out this morning, it's going to be nice, comfortable, 50 degrees, a little bit of sunshine out there once the sun comes up. The wind's going to hit, and our temperatures are going to start to drop. So
Oh, wow. Okay.
get ready. Brace yourself for winter's return here starting today right on into the weekend. We got 30s and 40s back in the forecast. So hopefully everyone had a chance to enjoy the 50s and 60s the last few days, because it's back to reality here as we head towards the weekend. Right now, temperatures are still into the 50s despite the rain coming down. It has cooled us just a tad. We were around 54 degrees, now down to 52, but still not bad for Friday morning. South winds at 3 miles per hour. That's going to change. The wind is going to kick up once the cold front hits, and we'll talk about that here in a moment. Once that front hits, it's going to kick up the wind, and that's going to really usher in those colder temperatures all behind the rain. So we got this band of rain moving through right now. Now really on the east side of the Columbus Metro here in eastern Franklin County around Reynoldsburg, down towards Groveport. All of this is moving towards the east at around 35 miles per hour. So putting a little track on that, we'll see that basically is moving really pretty quickly off towards the east here at around 35 miles per hour. So that's going to get into Pickerington around 518 here. So just in the really right now. And around Newark around 536, and towards the Virginia area around 605. So it's moving out. That's the good news. Once this clears out, we are done with the rain. But this big storm system that has brought all the severe weather here across the Midwest from parts of Illinois, Indiana into Ohio, Kentucky, even West Virginia. There's still a severe thunderstorm warning. And then heavy snow from Nebraska through Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Snowfall amounts getting closer to a foot in some of those areas because of the same big spin there, that area of low pressure. But this is a look at all the severe weather reports here over the last 24 hours, with tornadoes reported in parts of Illinois and Indiana, producing some damage around the Bloomington, Indiana area here just late last evening. But that storm system again is clearing out. We'll get some sunshine here today. A little bit of cloud cover later on this afternoon, but that's all as that cold front is moving through, really kicking up the wind. So watch this here. This is our wind gust forecast here at 7 a.m. Some gusts up to 20 miles per hour as we get towards 9 a.m. Look at that. Gusts over 30, 40, up to near 50 miles per hour, just ushering in all this colder air. And you can see that our temperatures are in the 50s this morning. By noontime, mid-40s, it's going to feel like it's in the 30s, and then by the evening, we're barely into the lower 40s, upper 30s, and it's going to feel like it's in the 20s and 30s here later on tonight. So our 7-day forecast, windy conditions here today, temperatures falling, 45 and sunshine here for a high, and then we got to talk about some snow showers back in the forecast here on Sunday. Not really expecting a lot of dusting to an inch possibility here as we go through the day, and then staying pretty chilly looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday. That's a look at your 10 weather impact forecast. We also want to get a check of traffic here on our Friday morning with Bree.